New to credit cards in the USA? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll show you the top 3 credit cards for beginners in 2025. Simple, safe, and smart picks just for you. Choosing your first credit card can feel confusing, but starting right can set you up for long-term financial success. Let's break it down, quickly and clearly. First up, the Discover It Student Cashback. No annual fee, that's $0. It's made for beginners and students, helping you build your credit safely. Plus, you can earn up to 5% cashback on everyday purchases like gas stations, grocery stores, and online shopping. And here's a bonus. Discover matches all the cashback you've earned in your first year. Next, the Chase Freedom Flex. It's known for easy approval, great if you're starting fresh. You'll get high rewards, including 5% cashback on rotating categories like dining, travel, and groceries. It also offers flexible bonus categories that change every quarter, which means more ways to save money. Finally, the Capital One Platinum. Perfect if you have no credit history at all. No annual fee and no hidden charges. This card is super simple and helps you build your credit fast with responsible use. Quick tips for credit success. Always pay your balance on time. Keep your credit utilization under 30%. Never max out your card. It can really hurt your credit score. If you're serious about building your credit in the USA, these cards are a perfect place to start in 2025. Comment below, which credit card do you use or plan to get? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick, smart finance tips just for you.